Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Mobvoi Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the TicWatch Pro from Mobvoi, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so yes, I'm back with another video today. It's not a phone unboxing. This is actually a smartwatch, the TicWatch Pro 3 GPS from Mobvoi. They actually sent it out to me for a review. So I need to give them a big shout out for actually sending this to me and having it on my channel. We'll definitely go over the specs. I want to see what's in the box. I actually kind of unboxed it already a little bit and just go over the watch itself. But nice little presentation from them. Not too bad. Now it does have some of the specs there. It does have the Snapdragon Wear 4100 platform, which is a new, Snapdragon for Google watches or Android watches. It has IP68 swim and suitable, so that's good. You can go swimming with it. Up to 72 hours of battery life. We will definitely see how good the battery life is. Comes with HD heart rate, stress, and sleep tracking. It does have blood oxygen saturation detection too. Google Assistant built in. 1,000 watch faces. 2 displays, double the possibility. And y'all can read the rest. It does have the GPS built in there. Now this is Wi-Fi. They do not have an LTE model. You can pick it up from their website for $299. I will have the links in the description. All right, so let's see what you get in the box. Now you do get this nice little quick guide. You may want to read that. It does have English. It has all kinds of different languages on there, but I will read that later. Here's the watch itself. That band looks like a leather band, but it's actually rubber, which feels really nice. One thing about it, the watch is light, man. Focus on that. Here's a little charging pin. We will get into that in a minute. Let's see what else you get. So some product safety. It also has more model information on there. It has customer care card. And then here's the charging cable. So you have these little pins and then also the USB type A. But let's see if the watch actually has any type of juice. All right, so let's see if it powers on. And we can go over the specs a little bit more too. TicWatch. So it does have a 1.39 inch AMOLED display. It's actually a Retina AMOLED display. Then it also has what they call an FSTN display, which is almost like a always on display, but it saves battery and it looks pretty cool, man. So they call it the dual display. It comes with 1 gig of RAM and also 8 gigs of storage, which is, pretty impressive for a watch. It has a 577 milliamp hour battery. Like I said earlier, it is IP68 water resistant. It does have NFC, Google Pay on here. So if you have Google Pay, you can definitely use your watch to pay. It does have the heart rate sensor. Look at the heart rate sensor down there. It has a speaker and also a mic. This thing really feels light though. A little brand in there too. That is the speaker. Does have, and there's the mic. Now the bezel doesn't rotate, but it does have these 2 buttons. This is a nice watch. Let me go ahead and set it up. I'm gonna come back and tell you how easy it was to set up, okay? All right, everyone, so I was able to go ahead and set up the watch. Let's see, let's turn it on. There's the watch face I'm using. It wasn't too hard to set up. I'm actually gonna come back and give y'all a little bit more detail. Look at that. That's the second display. So it's supposed to save battery. That's actually pretty cool. Look, 836. but it was easy to set up, and Google, this thing flies. But let's go over the watch a little bit. Google Fit. So if you want to go back, you just hit the top button. But here is all the apps that I have installed on it so far. I'm gonna go through some more apps later. It is bright though. Let me turn down the brightness. Go back to the apps. So there's a lot of apps installed. It does have a lot of watch faces too, which let me bring up my Pixel. Here are some of the apps that, or watch faces that come with the TicWatch Pro 3. So overall, this watch is pretty cool. I love that display. So I can see the time without really draining the battery. But let's try it on. And there it is on my wrist. It doesn't look so big. I mean, and it feels nice. I mean, it's not, compared to the other watches I had, this is actually pretty cool. But stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna have more coverage on this watch. Probably come back in a week or so and give you my thoughts about it after using it for a while. But so far, so good. I'm definitely gonna go test it out more. Maybe do some GPS tracking. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it so far. Look at it, $299. I like the band. It looks leather, but it's rubber, so you can sweat and not worry about having a stinky leather band after you've been running for a while. But I'm gonna go use it for a little bit, probably about a week or so. Stay tuned to the channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForbesReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.